Now, in 2 weeks' time, members of the county assemblies and members of parliament will know whether they will be required to have degrees before they are allowed to vie for elective positions. This at the back of a case at the Milimani Law Court, where the MCAs and other parties have challenged the implementation of the amended section of 22A of the Elections Act that is set to take effect in next year's general election. Emmanuel Tor with that report.
After a heated debate in the court of public opinion, it was time for the matter of MCAs and MPs degree requirement to be deliberated in the High Court, with lawyers taking each other head on.
The Constitution does not set what that qualification is.
The petitioners, through their lawyers, Professor Tom Ojenda and Charles Njenga, told the court that the amendments by Parliament were unconstitutional. The lawyers submitted that if the law were to be applied, many Kenyans would be locked out of leadership positions. They added that besides that, Kenyans would be denied their rights to elect leaders of their choice.
Allowing the mandatory requirement for a degree for elected members of the county assembly, or as a prerequisite for election to the county assembly, my lord, flies in the face of the right to representation under Article 38.
The MCAs also cited the 2019 national census that shows that over 98% of Kenyans did not have university degrees, and by extension a majority of MCAs.
Because even in developed countries, my lord, individuals are elected on the basis of their political acumen. They are elected on the basis of their competence, my lord. But, my lord, we cannot deny, my lord, individuals the right to exercise their political choice.
It's our submission that the Parliament has registered against we, the people.
The lawyers in support of the amendments, however, said there was enough time for the MCAs and MPs to acquire the requisite qualifications. The ward representatives, through the County Assemblies Forum CAF, had moved to the High Court to challenge the implementation of the requirement. And in the Senate, Elgeyo Marakwet Senator Kipchumba Murkomen also sought to amend the section and list ability to read and write as the only requirement for a political seat.
To say that MCAs should have the same qualification as members of parliament is not to be reasonable.
Let us be serious. You expect the chair of budget committee like Kanini Kega here, looking at budget estimates, and membership of that committee has people who have not gone beyond standard 7, standard 8.
The ruling on the matter will be made on 15th October this year. Emmanuel Tor, KTN News, Nairobi.
Oh, still in politics, Deputy President William Ruto has dismissed claims by a section of his opponent that he is